Hello everyone! We have returned with another collection of cool new devices for men. Therefore today, we have something for those of you who enjoy climbing trees and repairing things while you're on the move. There is also an option for those individuals who have an interest in strange knives. As usual, all links to the items themselves in the description below. Strike is pleased to introduce to you your brand new interactive training instructor. RxT1 is the first sparring bot that will enhance your reflexes, response time, and cognitive processing. And it does this by simulating real-world fighting situations. It includes a head target, 4 foam arms, and a torso pad in the package. The fact that it hits like a real fighter and that you can't tell which arm will strike next is by far the best feature of it. There are 3 different ways that you can hone your abilities. Learn mode helps novices get used to the rhythm and flow of hitting, and here is where the RxT1 comes in handy to assist train certain methods. Activating the spar mode will transform the robot into your very own training companion. It punches in a style that is both realistic and surprising, and it offers 4 different difficulty levels along with choices for both southpaw and orthodox boxing. Combination mode provides assistance in mastering more than 100 different stunning combinations that have been pre-programmed for you, or you can have the option to input any combination you can think of. In this section, you will either acquire speed and precision by striking the pads as your opponent attacks, or learn to defend against certain combos used by your opponent. RxT1 does not require any mobile app or batteries to function properly. On the touchscreen, you may access all the necessary information as well as the settings. Because it's so lightweight, mounting it on the wall may be accomplished in 3 straightforward steps. Do you think it would be possible to find a better instructor that never gets tired and is always eager to train? I've brought you a keychain that doubles as a snack. This is a spoon and a fork combined into one convenient and well-designed piece of cutlery. Because it's so light and takes up so little space, you won't need nearly as much room in your bag to carry it. The most impressive feature, however, is the fact that it is more than simply a spork. It is also possible to use it as a bottle opener and a screwdriver with a flathead. In addition, there is a set of 3 metric wrench reliefs for use in case of an emergency. Cans can be opened easily with a pry, and the inclusion of a hole in the device's center transforms it into a makeshift weapon of some type. Cool! The carabiner that is included with the spork allows you to attach it to items such as your bag, pants, and other items with ease. You may select from a variety of hues, but the ones that are bright yellow, pink, or orange are less likely to be misplaced. Here is a multi-tool for wilderness survival that can fit into the palm of your hand. Its durable body is made of aluminum, which is designed to withstand abuse and last for many years. The handheld device features foldable ferrocerium and magnesium rods for lighting fires, as well as an emergency whistle, blade sharpener, and reflective panels. A compass and thermometer are 2 more items that might come in helpful. The belt clasp on the side can be removed if that is more convenient for you. It is possible for it to transform into a screwdriver, a can opener, bottle opener, ruler, and 4 different types of hex wrenches. In the event that the number of functions is not sufficient, here is an axe that you might be impressed with. It has some features such as a hammer, a pry and lever, and a nail puller, and it will be ideal for camping. It also has 10 multi-tools in common, and it is prepared to break the ice and split wood. Last but not the least, there is one more alternative with 31 multi-tools in one body to keep you going. In addition to the task described above, it includes a 6-inch folding knife, a seat belt cutter, and even a gas valve shutoff wrench. Well, there is nothing that can stop you now. We don't have time to go into detail. Just know that it's a key holder. It has enough space for up to 4 keys and other small items like a USB drive, flashlight, pen, etc. Aircraft-grade aluminum and heat-treated spring steel ensures that this is a long-lasting investment. Simple to operate with one hand, the key holder may be secured when not in use by simply replacing its end cover. Just make sure that this device will work with your keychain. If you're enjoying our content, please give the video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you can get our newest and most interesting content as soon as it comes out. This is the kind of a reliable lighter you can count on whenever you need. You can tell it's not just a simple lighter by looking at its sleek metal casing. A micro USB port provides power, and a touch-sensitive button activates the device. In fact, it has a dual application. You may obtain a turbo flame for more demanding jobs, or you can swiftly light a cigarette. It's possible to have a lighter engraved with your own unique design, and it comes in a variety of attractive colors to choose from. Here's another choice that marries contemporary conveniences with traditional gold ornamentation. Both flame kinds and the USB charging port are still included. What a wonderful blend of luxury and efficiency. I think you'll enjoy this one. The ring is made of titanium. Having a set of tools on the accessory's top is awesome, but its durability and sturdiness are what really set it apart. It's a 4-in-1 tool, so it has the most useful tools for everyday life. 2 knives with varying blade lengths, a bottle opener, and a comb. And if you want to take it a step further, you may alter the ring with anything you have lying around, like pliers. And for all of you automobile guys, here's a titanium piston fidget ring. Enjoy the ride by turning the wheel. This carabiner has various advantages. Your keys are toy in comparison to its titanium body, which can support up to 110 pounds. However, a quick motion transforms it into a folding knife. The scalpel blade is sufficiently sharp to cut through any form of paper or rope. Even easy is the process when there are 2 rotational angles. You may quickly change it if it becomes a drab. A nearby ruler is also useful at all times. Cool! This is the wallet that you need to check. It is really sturdy and will last you for many years because it is made of synthetic leather and stainless steel. All of your credit cards may be stored in its accordion-style card slots, and the snap-secured coin section can hold change and other small items. Looks great and trustworthy. For your dollar notes, there is a lengthy slot as well. The biggest benefit of this wallet is that it can truly flex and mimic your body lines. That means you can actually sit on it while keeping it in your back pocket. Everything will work out perfectly. You may select from a variety of sizes and colors, so you're sure to discover the ideal fit. This is for people who hunt. It's a list of steps for climbing trees safely. So the kit comes with 7 aluminum steps, a ratchet, and a holster that gives you different ways to carry it. Everything is pretty easy. Just hit the step against a tree and use the ratchet tool to turn it, and you're ready to go. Safety is improved by a wide-ribbed surface to stand on and a handle to hold on to. And to make it even easier and safer, you only need one hand to put the step in place. Have you ever thought it could be this easy and quick to climb a tree? Now, these watches look like they're made in the Stone Age at first glance. First, they are all made from wood, which is good for the environment. The second thing is that these are made by hand. But when you turn on the built-in LED screen, this thing becomes a bright modern gadget. The watch has a unique dial that stands out and lights up in different colors, depending on which version you get. There is also a cool physical button that lets you set the time and date quickly. If you don't like the design of the rounded option, this hexagon model might be better for you. There are a lot of cool colors for both models. As for the size of the strap, it's easy to change. You only need a small awl and a hammer. The watch is powered by battery, so it doesn't need to be charged. It also comes in a nice gift box made of bamboo. This innovative driver tool is small, easy to use, and easy to carry. This thing is as versatile as it gets because it has 6 driver tips that can be switched out. Inside, there is a special place where all the tips are hidden. Strong magnets that are built into the bits keep them in place, allowing for high torque and easy use. The handle is made out of aluminum, which is both light and strong. The tool is also hard to scratch because the surface has been anodized. The whole thing is so small that you can put it in the back pocket of your jeans. A good self-defense tool can be very helpful in case of an emergency. This one, for example, stands out because its whole body is made of titanium, which makes it very strong. This is really easy to hold because it looks like a knuckle. Also, the pointy end has a tungsten steel head that makes it easy to break glass. The tool comes with a case that can be used to carry it, or you might like the old-fashioned folding knife. This blade has a really sharp blade and a beautiful titanium handle. When the blade gets dull, it's easy to switch it out for a new one. Only one screw needs to be taken out. This multi-tool is a great choice if you want something that you can take with you. It has a small built-in blade with a quick and safe way to release it. Also, the tool has 2 different kinds of screwdrivers and a bottle opener. Last but not the least, there is a pocket clip tool that is very small. This thing, which is made of pure titanium, can be used as a pry bar, a box cutter, a ruler, and a bottle opener. Not to mention the screwdriver tips that are built in. For something that is the size of a pen, it does a lot. Here's something that makes it easy to start a fire by just a push of a button. Its ergonomic shape for comfort, rubber coating that keeps it from slipping, and automatic shutoff makes it easier and safer to use. No matter how big or small your logs are, the fan vents let in enough oxygen to start a fire. It's also very easy to change. The flame-resistant nozzle lets you put the bellows right where you need it. Lastly, the device is powered by a battery and can fire up to 180 bursts, so don't bother with matches and shavings anymore. Never before has it been so easy to start a fire.